Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free diamonds in Bigo Live. So as you can see, I'm broke. So it's time to change the game. 21,000? Nah, I just enabled unlimited. Let's see if they rise. Come on. Yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this Bigo Live mod so you can get unlimited diamonds. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So the first step is going to be, in my opinion, I think, um, going on to the website. So the website is going to be hexmods.com. There's lots of apps on here, so just type in Bigo. Um, and there's the Bigo Live, so go ahead and press on it and begin the download of the mod. Now there is a verification at the end, so what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it's really simple. It's just some apps at the end. So you just download 2 of these and it brings you to the app store, so you're done. So I'll see you later, but you can see like download, install, play 4 games for 5 minutes, make a 30-second call, download, use for 3 days. So it's pretty easy. So that's how to get the Bigo Live mod, guys. It's super crazy. So there's diamonds, there's VIP, there's skip ads, anti-ban. All these settings are available for you guys. So if you're poor on Bigo Live, be sure to try this out because it actually works. And it's super insane, guys. So I know there's a lot of haters in the comments and they're going to come at me, but it is possible to get a Bigo Live mod. You just have to know where to look. So yeah, hexmods.com, bro. That's the site where you can do this. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and totally works. So if this video does work for you guys, please tell me in the comments and maybe I'll make you guys another video. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it's fully working. So if you're poor and you need to get diamonds on Bigo Live, be sure to try this out because it's super cool. I mean, there's unlimited diamonds with this. It's insane. So get the word out, bro. It's fully working for iOS and Android, guys. Crazy stuff. It's updated and everything.